let's see where we are at with the visualization stuff. Windows. Okay, we've got the here is where we are at. Just outputting a string. Well, we could just try drawing that string as step 1, as opposed to just like printing it out to the debugger. Yeah, just draw it right here. And so let's just take that. Do we want... Yeah, we probably just want to solve these things once. Like, the input isn't gonna change ever, pretty much. So, year 2020. Well, I mean, I guess result year 2022, day 1. Yeah, this is kind of awkward, but that'll do. Okay, so given that result, we want to throw it out somewhere. Well, here. So this is the relevant result that's been obtained up here. So let's see here. We've got max sum, top 3 sum, and the top max sum. Yeah, max sum 0 and top 3 sum. Actually, this reminds me of something. We want to this scratch memory. We need to temp memory the thing. So like temp memory temp is temp memory scratch, something like this. And then like scope exit temp end, something like this. Of course, and can we, well, let's see, arena's over here. Okay, struct temp memory. We've got long used at begin. We've got well, this arena, graph. Well, I mean, we do kind of want to keep the arena around, and I'm guessing we can't really do this. Like, that doesn't make sense, probably. Or does it? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. So give me a pointer, and so arena is arena, and used at begin is arena used. And then void end would be what? Well, I mean, I guess we need to assert that arena used is greater or equal to used at begin. And then arena used is used at begin. And I also need to assert that arena temp count is temp count at begin -1, and then arena temp count minus equals 1. Temp count at begin. Yeah, what's wrong with that? And nothing is wrong with that. Okay, so now arena needs to have another property, which is temp count I like line 2. Yeah, temp count is just 0 initially, that's fine. And here, when we create it, we go arena temp count plus equals 1. Assert arena temp count. I mean, just to be extra safe, I guess we can make it that, and then the arena can have extra checks implemented this way. So new temp count has to be at least 0, and it doesn't really have to be greater than anything. Yeah, so there's just one extra check. Every time you assign. +1 -1. Used is so that's the main thing here. That's the main thing here. All right. Yeah, that's fine. What do we have here? Well, I mean, this has to be an address, right? So, like, yeah, that works. Unless you can convert a ref to an address, I don't know, can you? I mean, like, does this work? It's probably more convenient that way. Like, it's gonna be a pointer anyway, so who cares? Temp count at begin, arena temp count. There. Well, let's see what happens there. Okay, so what do we got? This, that's the arena, seemingly, yeah, that's just a pointer. And it's the pointer is copied, so that works as expected. Used at begin 0, temp count at begin 0, temp count now is 1. And we run through the thing. Can we like run the cursor? Yeah. Now it's scope exit. Okay, so we step into that. Okay, so arena used is that, which is greater or equal to that. And arena temp count is that, and temp count, oh wait, no, arena temp count is temp count at begin plus 1. Yeah, because we would have incremented it. Well, really I want to run to here, and then F12, yeah. So that's true now. Arena used is the set, temp count is decremented. Yeah, that all makes sense. Alright, so this is now working. I mean, that's not bad. Like, if this could run automatically, maybe this would be even better. But I don't know, maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, there is some kind of... Actually, what would that look like? I just want to see. D-lang... array I think there is a whole section on it. Attributes, well, live, safe, trusted, shared, static, yeah, final, const, auto. Yeah, let's see some code. No, I want... Memory management, well, I mean, sure. I don't really care about the automatic stuff that it has. What I want is like, I think there is something you can just say that, like, here's the deallocate, right? Yeah, that's a destructor. So if you write the destructor, is that gonna run automatically? Let's find out. Is that enough to make it run automatically? I mean, I guess, like, once it goes out of scope, like, what if I make this, like that? And then remove this. Is that enough to make it work? Let's see. I guess we need to step to here. And then... Okay, well, I mean, I don't know, like, if we have 12... Oh yeah, it does go into the destructor automatically. Well, I guess, I mean, this is not bad. Like, you can't really mess it up this way. The destructor does run as expected, so you can just create. But then, what if I what if I just do that? Like, what happens then? So we go in F12, okay, we create it. And then we immediately destroy it, okay, I see. So temp, memory, temp, I mean, this is kind of a special thing, like, I don't even know what to call it, like. It's only here to make the destructor run at the end. Like, I don't know. And I write it this way because then I can't forget to write scope exit. Yeah. So many asserts, so many asserts. Look at the beautiful asserts. And now, okay. Is this better than just doing a scope exit? I don't know, maybe, maybe not. It's less error prone, so maybe it is better. Oh god. We also know that whatever we do within a frame, yeah, whatever we do here isn't gonna persist. Well, it's not gonna persist on the scratch space anyway. Arena, unknown. Like, we are allowing things to persist on the arena. It's the loop to loop. But not on the scratch. That's the whole point. Okay, now that we have that, we can just allocate a string with these two things. So like string builder takes an arena, so scratch fumut, so there's three different things we can pass to that. Well, we just want max sums. Fumut, top 3 sum. And, well, actually, and null. Oh my god. So this is like string result. Well, not output. Well, actually, we don't need it to be an and null because I'm just gonna draw it. So D3, D11 renderer, and we have push what? Push text line. Well, actually, no. It's we're not pushing it directly to the renderer. We are giving it to mu. So instead of doing this thing, mu text, mu ctx result. There So we can actually remove that. Well, here. Yeah, with the result. So let's just reassign it to result. Results true. Result. Result. Okay, do we need something else here? Oh, this has to be not terminated. And null. Yeah, I mean that does work, and yeah, we don't have them here. Yeah, okay. So format part 1 colon, part 2 colon. Yeah, I mean, okay, so and then below that we can actually draw something. Okay. So these are the answers, and here, okay, this is where we're gonna have, okay, so what's that gonna look like? Let's see, so we have a panel, then we have a row with one column that takes up the whole. Okay, that's probably not what we want actually. So what we want is a row with one column for the string, but below that is something else. So below that is actually a different panel, I suppose. Although, I mean, if we put something else, like if we have two of these, what's that gonna look like? Are they drawn? Oh, it goes below. Okay, well, I mean, we can just give it a width. Okay. Well, I mean, even... Okay, so we begin a panel, that's the row, but then we can say within that, well, font, where's the font? How about this? Right, so here's a row, that's just one line, and I mean, we should probably just move it to here. And that is that line. And then we go in here and we say okay, so this is gonna be like result string and result graph, let's say, which is also one row, but this time it's gonna have to be just the whole rest of the parent. Hopefully that's what that does. Temp. Something like this. think that actually works, yeah. So that is the first row, and this is where the visualization will go. Alright. Toggle focus, yeah. Okay, we removed some white space. Yep, move that down a little. That's the new code. Yeah, that's temp memory. That's temp memory. That's temp memory. Okay, that's all fine. I mean, I guess really what happened here is like draw string result for day 1. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, that's all I have time for today. See you later.